Yeah.
It's my turn now.
Yeah, in just a minute. Samantha, tell me what you're doing.
I'm making a cake.
What color cake?
Pink.
When is it pink?
And it's Valentine's Day.
Okay, Camden, your turn. You big boy?
Hey, Dad, tonight can we try a piece of the cake?
Oh yeah, we're gonna eat it tonight. Camden, what are you doing?
I'm mixing it up.
You're mixing it up? Mixing it up? Let Daddy help you.
Cake.
Let me do it real quick. Ready?
What color icing is he gonna have?
Let's have a star.
Look at his head.
Camden, you getting dizzy?